Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I am with a video like I have made a video on general reading for the whole year of 2021, each zodiac sign. But I thought of making one video which is a general video for 2021 prediction, like how is the general energy, what is going to happen in the world, what people should do to make it better this year, right? So I thought of making this because anyways I've been making a lot of remedies to change your luck, change, remove negativity, this and that. So I thought this year specifically we need a lot of healing, we need a lot of motivation, we need a lot of push this year. So I thought of making this video to convey the general energy of this year. So the general energy of this year is going to be of Mercury, okay? And we need a lot of motivation, push, healing. Whatever we've gone through in 2020 has been terrible, terrible, terrible. But this year is going to heal us. This year is going to give us slowly, slowly. The energy is going to be slow but steady, and eventually we are going to reach our goals this year. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is this year is a year of green. I want people to know that the crystals that they can use this year, you can keep a green aventurine, you can keep a green jade. Any green color crystal is going to give you more luck and more push. Now this video is generally for people who anybody can use. It's not for a specific person only. Anybody can keep green aventurine or green jade in their house. They can even use a lot of greens, like keeping a green green handkerchief in their wallet, or they can keep a green paper in their wallet. It'll give them a lot of healing and green energies to move forward, a lot of luck factor. In fact, we all need luck this time, right? So this year is full of green energy. The next thing I am going to talk about is how we are going to make it better. Like when I was a teenager in my college days, I used to make sure to take one person from the slum and start teaching them English. Or my mate's daughter used to sit, both her children used to sit and learn English from me. So this is one effort we need to put. This year, the more you're going to work with kids, the more you're going to tell children that, help children in achieving their goals, it's going to get better for you. If you're putting personal efforts like me, like teaching them, teaching the street children, or helping someone who needs to study, help in their education, buy books for the children, go pay their fees, go and do something if they're not getting admission, help them in that. That is going to go totally in your favor. This year, the more you help kids, the more better it will be for you. Okay? This year is going to benefit a lot if you work with children, like giving donations in children's home, like clothes, like food, anything that you can give from your end. It is going to be beneficial, very, very beneficial. The other thing I will tell you all this year, if you, like I said, you're working more with green energy, right? So this year, the more you give and donate green, it could be green vegetables, it could be green dal. Green dal is first of all, it's a very healthy thing to eat. Okay, the more consumption also is good. Green dal, the full one with skin. Okay, lentil, I mean. People who can't understand dal, it's a lentil, it's a green lentil. The more you donate green lentil on Wednesday, every Wednesday, the better it will get for you this year. It will give you a lot of good luck this year, good health. Everything is going to be better this year with green. The next thing will be donating plants. So as it's a very healing year, you are going to, the more you are in connection with green energy, healing energy, maybe spending more time outdoors in your between plants. I know because of COVID we can't travel that much, but as much as you can safely. Okay, the more plants we plant at home, the more plants we donate. Donating plants is also very, very, very beneficial this year. If you're visiting a friend, you're taking flowers, take a plant for them, take a tulsi plant for them, take an aloe vera for them, or maybe something else. Go plant more trees on the streets. The more you are donating plants this year, the more good luck you're creating for yourself. The more health benefits you're creating for yourself, the more green energy you will work on, the better it will get for you. This year, it's very, very good. Green. Also, green is related to vegetables, green is related to farmers, right? They are the ones who grow all the food that we eat. The green energy is the farm energy, isn't it? So, the farmers of our country who are suffering right now, please go ahead and do something for them, because the more you donate on their name, the better it is going to get for you. Your money will unblock, your prosperity will unblock the more you do for your farmers. See, it is our moral duty to work and do something for the farmers who provide us, who work so hard on those fields. They work so hard for us. It is our moral duty. But even if we do it with an intention of making our life better, even that is accepted. At least do something for them, donate something on their name, so that your energy around you. See, I'll tell you something. If I am giving out something good, only good will come back. So create good for yourself by giving good. So the more we do for them, the better it will be, because they are really struggling. Another 3-4 months, some solution might come out for them, but end of the year only they will get a lot of relief. Actually, it is very sad for them. Very, very sad for them. Our political situation will improve, because this year is the year of mind, logical mind. People who are not thinking logically will start thinking logically. Relationships which have gone bad up till now will start improving this year, because people will realize, they will have clarity, because this is the year of mind. We have been working with our heart, but this year we'll be working with our mind. We'll have a lot of clarity, mental clarity. We'll be more into a logical and practical space of mind. We are going to see things clearly. We are going to know things clearly. We are going to take practical and logical decisions this year. Okay? And the only thing that in the end I would like to speak about is what mantras you should be chanting this year. Okay? And what you should be doing. So the mantra you need to chant is Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama, which is a Vishnu mantra. Vishnu is husband of goddess Lakshmi, and if you are pleasing Vishnu, your abundance is going nowhere. Your abundance means abundance doesn't actually only mean money. Abundance means money, prosperity, and good relationships and good health. Together it means abundance. So if you want your abundance, do chant on Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya Nama, one mala or 3 malas. I prefer 3 because 3 is a very auspicious number. So if you do 3 malas every day is good. If you can't do 3 malas, go intuitively. Go intuitively, say I can do 9 times. I can do just maybe 3 times. Just chant 3 times every day. Chant 9 times every day. Chant 11 times every day. If you can't actually do the 108 times whole chanting mala. If you can't do it, just go intuitively as much as you can. Do it. The other god that you need to worship is Shiv. Shivji also will rule this year. You will. The more you worship him, the more you chant on him. You can even keep a fast on Monday. You will benefit the most in this year. Slowly, whatever we've gone through, changes that were made last year. We got so restricted. There was a lot of fear-based energy last year. This year we are going to come out of a fear. This year we are going to heal from everything. Coronavirus will take another year. 2022, it will completely go away. Completely go away. Vaccination also has come. But I think a better solution will come after next 6 months of this year. After June. After maybe June or July. There will be a bigger solution for coronavirus. And eventually in 2022, it will be totally eradicated. So, guys, we need to learn our new ways of, living, and we need to be careful. We need to release our fear, because fear is the only thing that is blocking us right now. This year is going to be very good for you all, very lucky for you all. Heal, eat more greens, have more greens around you, donate, and open your luck this year. So that's all for today. Please call me for paid appointments only, or email me for paid appointments only. And Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, go and like, because on Facebook I'll be putting weekly tarot also. And don't forget to push this channel forward, because this is your channel, and whatever you want happens on this channel. Share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye bye. Bye.